Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessie. I make natural handcrafted soap and other bath related items. Bath bombs, lotions, body butters, candles. But what I really love to do is make artisan soap. So, if you're new here and you like this kind of stuff, I would just love you to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, and you will get notified every time I put out a video. I usually put out about once a week, so you won't be bombarded, I promise. But that would really help out the channel. And I'd just love to have another member of my Soapy family here. So once again, hit that subscribe button. And to all of my current subscribers, you know you guys are the best, and I just appreciate everyone so much. If everyone likes the video, please give me a thumbs up, and let's move on with the video. So far, you've already seen the information for the recipe that I use to make the frosting. And this really is one of my favorite recipes. I use variations of it all the time because I found it's such a solid base. The reason I use it for soap frosting is because it leaves the icing thick, but also really smooth, and I can work with it for a really good amount of time. And part of being able to frost well is to have a really solid might not be the right word, a really good recipe that will take you really far. The other thing I make with this recipe is soap dough. And if you want to learn how to make soap dough, I don't know if it's something you're interested in, but if you want to learn how I make it and how I get it to last a good amount of time, leave a comment below. You know, I try to interact with everyone because I'm unsure what I should do a video on. So let me know. So I'm assuming that I'm going to be making a multi-part series here. And so I need a little bit of feedback from everyone because in this video, I just kind of dipped my toe in the water. I wrote down my recipe. I went over the different tips I use when I make cupcakes and leaves and just basically a frosted soap. And then I went over different options and stuff you could buy. But let me know if you're interested in different art styles or different flowers you can make or what I can show you guys in the next video. I have over 10 years, maybe over 13 years experience working at a bakery, so I can teach you a lot of things that I know. I just am interested in what you all want to learn. right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really, really appreciate it. If you have any friends or family that you think would like this content, please share with them. If you want to help support the channel, we have links in the description to different things you can purchase through Amazon. Or even if you don't want to buy the things in the description, but you plan on buying something from Amazon, you can click one of those links and it still really helps us out. Also, the soap that you saw in the video, Lavender and Lily, this one's for sale at EdenStreetSoap.com. It's our Etsy site, and we'd love for you to purchase our soap. That's what we do. Anyway, thanks so much for watching and listening to me ramble. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And if you want to help out the channel, but you don't want to spend any money, all you have to do is give us a thumbs up, and that helps us out immensely. Oh, I said that wrong, immensely. Once again, thank you so much. Have a great day, and I appreciate you all. Bye.